Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to the Sunday analysis, and let's get straight to the chart. Briefly, just for you guys to know, there's actually not a real straight up setup that I actually want you to look out for, but we're still gonna go into mostly every chart, and I'm gonna skip the ones that aren't showing us anything. So firstly, gold, simple, as you can see, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. I think the third touch is gonna be fake. It's gonna be fake, so I want you guys to pay attention to other time frames. As you can see, what can we see here? It touched this thing twice or 3 times as at presently right now. So it has been pushing up a bit. I'm still expecting more push to the upside, but it hasn't done that yet. So seems with all this confirmation is showing, it appear to be a bit tricky, and I'm still doubting the third touch, but if it brings it out, we're gonna enter on the third touch. So what you should be looking out for by next week is probably some pushback to your side, to the downside. Try to create a low lower than this one, and then maybe some touch back here to create a third touch. That's basically it. On it, there isn't anything quite complicated on this pair, if I would have said that. Well, odd card, nothing also. We should really be careful on where you place your entry on any of these pairs quite lately, because everything has just been doing what they want. One thing I want you to only pay attention to is more buys on the JPY pairs. JPY pairs, they are just quite straightforward. I've been moving up. They haven't been ranging or anything like this. Just keep looking out for any lows to buy from. Lows here, you could enter in the 15 minutes time frame, get some confirmation. What do we have here? Maybe like a support right here. You range a bit, push it up, you could have stacked and enter here as a day trade. But there's actually no entry for a swing trade on any of these. We're looking at AUD/USD. AUD/USD still ranging. The most simplest thing to do in AUD/USD right now is that once you get to this low, buy. Once you get to this high, sell. Simple. Stay in the range, and you won't want to trade any straight direction. As for the Euro CHF, I'm still waiting for a nice time to buy, because the sell it has made is a lot and a lot. So I'm still waiting for the right time to buy, or it may not buy, may continue its down move lower, because all CHF pairs have actually been doing that. I've been doing that for a while. As you can see, look at just with the weekly time frame already tells you where the direction of this pair is going. So if you are not looking for a sell right now, I'll say something's wrong. So this literally it has shown us where it's going to. What will you do? You could go to lower time frame, look for more highs to buy, or wait for lows, like I said in that other pair, AUD/JPY. Other pairs have just been ranging, especially the USD pairs. There isn't something significant and serious there. Look at this one right now. Okay, we could see something here, maybe on the psychological level. 3000, 1.7300. So you could look out for there, because as you can see, I'm seeing down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Looking for some side to take it back up, maybe to this high, and you could put your TP around here, or just half in the 50 zone right here. That's basically it for GP card. Third touch, GCHF, more sales to the downside. CHF pairs are selling, though on the GBP pair is quite different. Yeah, basically let's look for a buy here soon. So a buy is going to come out soon, I believe. Broke out of the trend line, came back, retest, touch this low, probably play around this a bit before it push up. So that means this trend line is a fake. It's a fake one. It's either going to touch it and push down a bit and then break it upward to get to this high right here. That's it on that one. GP, JPY, mobiles, like I said, on all PS, on all GP, on all JPY PS, mobiles. NZD I won't say there's anything, but if I were to say you should trade any NZD pair, it's going to be NZD JPY. Just look at this steady movement of the candle. You could easily enter this one just by finding the lows. This is not one complicated thing. Just by getting the lows, you could enter in a 15 minutes time frame. Big low, enter. Could even stack. Big low, enter, stack, one entry, another one entry, and keep going up. That same thing will have been happening if you have been doing it from here. Another entry, and keep going up. So no specific movement for all the USD pairs. There's no specific movement. So I just want you to pay attention for the gold one and pay attention to it on Monday. On Monday, we could wait for the first 4 hours time frame candle to play around a bit, maybe around 2 o'clock a.m. in the morning or 6 in the morning. We could see the real direction, whether it's want to push more down or it's want to maybe push up like this and go down. But from what I'm looking at, I don't know if I should look at the daily time frame. This sell surprised me. I wanted to take it, but I didn't take it. I make serious amount. What I was looking for was more buys because the whole trend was a buy. My sell was around here, but I didn't pick it up. But that's all for that one. So what my only advice will be, after this bearish candle, more, just one more. If it's even one more for on Monday, just one more to get it down here, and then we are done for that day. So that will be all for the analysis. I hope you really see something to take on from here. So that'll be all.